Okay, so this is my Samsung 40KU6020, which is in for repair at the moment. Luckily I have a 5-year care plan because it developed purple patches on the screen. I have found a forum with other people which have shown the same fault, and not necessarily just K series. There are also H and J series TVs, and it seems to happen about 2 years into the life of the TV, and there isn't a way of getting rid of it, and it seems to get progressively worse. Anyway, please let me know in the comments if this has happened to your TV, and also what was the outcome, and I'll leave in the comments what happens to my TV. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.